Alright, hey guys, so today we're gonna be recording the siren test today because it's like 12:59 and I'm gonna record the sirens. They're about to go off in like a minute or so. Alright, so recording the sirens. Like 1 minute left. I guess less than a minute. We're about to see them. Hear them. Just a second. Alright, so sirens are about to go off. What? It's 1 o'clock. They go off at any second. Oh, there they go. Oh, sorry. I accidentally stopped the recording. I'm gonna put this into my second video, I guess, because I accidentally stopped it. Alright, here's the sirens. That's the siren. So, yeah, the sirens are going off right now. At 1:01. I just looked back at the time. Two. About to shut off in about a minute. Oh, the sirens just shut off. So that means that concludes the monthly test of the sirens. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.